Promise, you claim to be the father of Valerie. You got her arrested. You have been troubling this girl for years now. You were never in her life since she was born. All just because you heard there was $1.5 million, you surfaced. You've been using Eliab to fight Valerie even right from inside this house. You said it categorically. Let me remind you the day you said it. You showed me the picture you took when you came here to visit Eliab. Just not far, a minute away from my house. You were here to see Eliab. You confirmed it that very evening on Friday when I got released from police station. Anoli was there, Doris was there, Jude was there. When Eliab started misbehaving, that you paid him 10 million naira. That you have been footing all his bills, his hotel bills, and you have been feeding him just for him to fight Valerie for you, your alleged daughter. Valerie is a child whom was taken back to Nigeria for years. You were here in abroad. You never cared to take her over, to take care of her. Till the mother realized that Nigeria wasn't good for her, she decided to bring her back. 3 months after she was brought back to Austria, the mother passed. Government took her over. Her father, first, was already too matured to take her in, and that was the reason why she was taken to the orphanage. This very poor girl called Valerie was in the orphanage for good 3 years without you showing your face, without you thinking, oh, let me just go and fight for this girl. You did not. After 3 years, I applied, which I have told all this story how I came about applying. I started taking care of her when she was 11. Even before her mother died, I was in her life. At the end of the day, the government gave me the rights, and of which earlier you were invited, you were questioned, you were interrogated, and your opinion was given, your consent was given to the government that I am allowed to adopt Valerie, which I did. Now, my question is to Choose Promise. You have done so much, a lot of harm to this very girl you claim to be your daughter. You are still paying Eliab and watching Eliab destroy her just for the money. And you think all those things you are doing, Valerie will wake up one day. She's 17. In 7 months' time, she will be 18. She's no longer a child. She knows everything. She sees everything. She was bailed in the police station when you got her arrested. She ran back. She ran away from Nigeria back to Austria just because of the way you were tormenting all of us. And you think at the end of the day, she will come to love you? Why are you doing this to a child you claim to be your child? A girl you claim to be your child. Are you doing the same to the other ones you kept under your roof? You rejected her right from the time she was in her mother's womb. You rejected her after she was born. You rejected her when her mother passed. You rejected her when she was taken to the orphanage. And after she found light, she found a home where she can be happy again, where she could, smile again, you decided to destroy this child by paying Eliab and paying a lot of bloggers to hurt her, to bully her, to saga her. And you think when she grew up, she will look for you. You think this is the best time to do. You think everything you are doing, you're doing it right. You want to torment her until she pack a bag and leave Mabel. I'm going to harm her. I'm going to destroy her. I'm going to deal with her. By strength shall no man prevail. You are using strength. Remember all the things you did with strength in Nigeria. You still did not win. Let me let you know that as much as you are doing this through Eliab, Valerie is saying it. And she's keeping records. The whole world is saying this. And they are keeping record. I will never abandon her just the same way you did. I will never throw her away just the same way you did. I will never bring her back to the orphanage, no matter what you try to do to me. And as for Eliab, you will suffer. Your suffering has just begun. You will suffer. All the things you are doing, the repercussion is just already there. Karma is already knocking at your door. If only you haven't even opened the door for karma. In fact, karma is already inside your house. So just promise, if you think all the things you are doing to Valerie is going to make her love you, think again. Continue to think again. All I can say is that you are wicked. You are heartless. There is a reason why you want Valerie. I am saying it again. Either you wanted to use her for money ritual when we travel to Nigeria, which I said, or you are just there because of the money. You can never be her biological father. It is not possible because they say blood is thicker than water. You came only for the money. And you are a scammer because through Facebook, you got my business line. You contacted me through my business line. You didn't come the other way around. If you loved her, you would have been there a long time before even she got adopted. You do not love her. You are not her father. If you are to be her biological father, I don't see any reason why. You are free to travel to Nigeria. You are free to relocate to UK. At the end of the day, you could not stand as a man just to come to Austria and do the needful, which is DNA. You could not. You did not. Just because maybe you are not sure. You know that when you come to Austria, when the DNA test is done, at the end of the day, they will realize that you are not the biological father. That is the major reason why you wanted to do it in Africa, where you could manipulate, where you can manipulate. You are wasting your precious time. All these things you are doing to Valerie, she's going to gather it as a stone, build it up, and use it as a stepping stone. And I pray God give her the strength. See, this situation we are presenting to you on social media is a reality. Of course, what do you expect from a child like this? For so many years, they have been bullying me and my children for her sake. I have literally lost a lot because of her. Right now, she's feeling guilty. And she's making another decision to leave so that at least maybe I can gain peace, or at least her name will cease reigning on social media. But we shall see. Continue to follow this program. And I call it a program because once a video is posted, then it's more or less like a content. But it's real reality. I wonder how she's going to feel today after seeing Eliab talking again, Eliab doing all his nonsense again. I wonder how she's going to feel. I know what I go through in this house, trying to console her, trying to comfort her, trying to make her feel happy. In fact, all my energy and my strength is always going to her because I know what she's going through. It is unfortunate. It is very, very, very unfortunate that these two men meet each other. Two of them are cultists, fighting one little child, fighting me for just being good. God, I still give you all the glory, I give you all the honor, and I give you all the adoration. I am here waiting for you to work your wonders and put our enemies to shame. Please kindly share this video again. Love remains a beautiful thing, but don't get it twisted.